Hi guys, my name is Allie Dawson and no, let me start that over again. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Allie Dawson and I am a huge makeup lover. I decided to create this YouTube page because I'm constantly watching every other beauty blogger out there. Because I fall in love and I watch them, I am constantly recreating their looks and I'm constantly going out and testing out every single product that they buy because I truly believe that this product works. However, maybe it's just because I work a 10-hour day because I'm a server. Maybe just because I'm very, very oily or I sweat, but a lot of times these products that they recommend I buy and they never work. So I'm just here to really test out the products for you guys because I want to let you know that, like, as much as these people are absolutely amazing, they're drop dead gorgeous, they do such wonderful work, sometimes I can't help but think, does it work for them because they have immaculate skin and they actually know what they're fucking doing? Because I sure as hell don't know what I'm doing. Or do I suck at it? Like, I'm trying to figure out, like, am I good? Am I not good? So I'm here today to actually tell you guys what it's like to wear this type of makeup, what it's like to be in the real world situation, working like a 9-to-5 job, how it truly works for your face. Now, I'm very, very oily. I have huge, large pores. I probably have rosacea. I'm pretty red. And the stuff that I use, it does tend to work, but it never lasts all day. I'm gonna sit here and try out stuff, and I'm really fucking this up big time because I don't know what to say. Talking to a camera is really weird. Going to sit here and edit myself and watch myself, it's really weird. This feels completely unnatural because I feel like no one's actually watching this video. And here I am talking to a camera and my 2 cats that are running around destroying everything that I have. So I really don't know what to say other than I'm just gonna be myself. I'm just gonna put myself out here. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like for a hard worker who works a 10-hour shift and how well this makeup holds up. And I really just want to be real and unfiltered with you guys. I really want to show you what it's like for someone who doesn't know how to do makeup very well. Or, I mean, I think I do, but then I look at myself later on in the day and it's like melted and caked. I'm like, oh my God, what did I do wrong? But I just want to show you guys what it's like and like a real average woman, you know, to sit here and wear these expensive makeups and see how well they hold out. And you see like these beauty gurus who these makeups looks flawless all day and they take these gorgeous Instagram photos. And when I try to take a photo, I'm like, eh. So it just never looks the same. And I just want to show you guys what it's like to truly be real. You know, I'm not saying they're not real. It's just I'm an average person and I don't have that much money, so I can't buy all these fancy things, but the things I do buy is because they're recommended by these amazing, beautiful people, and I just want to emulate their looks, and I try, and a lot of times I fail. Hold on, my fucking cats are annoying me. Give me 1 second, they're destroying my shit. So I've been seeing this trend going around on YouTube, and one of my absolute favorite beauty YouTubers that I follow, beauty guru, her name is RawBeautyKristi. If you guys haven't followed her, please check her out. She's absolutely amazing, does beautiful, wonderful work. I love her personality. She makes me feel like I'm hanging out with my best friend, and that's what I want you guys to feel like when you're talking to me. So I'm gonna recreate one of her looks today for you guys, just to really test out how well this actually works. And what I'm gonna try out is one of her iconic beautiful looks that she did when she was sponsored by MAC, and she did this gorgeous red lip, very soft eyes. I'm gonna give it a try and I'm gonna follow her technique. I have, like I said, really oily skin, so she's all about dewy foundations and about illuminating primers, so she doesn't use primer, but in this video she does use a primer. But I'm a very, very matte girl, and when I went out and bought the MAC Studio Fix Plus, I thought that this would be great. So my makeup's gonna look great, and man, did that makeup just slide all day. It looked horrible. I hated it. I didn't want to return it because I didn't know you could return makeup until recently, actually. So yeah, I don't ever wear this foundation because it just does not stay on my face, and maybe I suck at applying it. I don't know, but we're gonna find out what I'm doing wrong. So without further ado, let's just put on the video and see how I can recreate her look. So I don't have the MAC Luminous Cream. Instead, I actually have Pores No More Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brant. I received this in my BoxyCharm box. I have never worn it, never tried it out, because I would never wear a luminizer. I'm already so oily, the last thing I want to do is add illuminating cream to my skin. It's why I don't use my Cover FX spray that they sent me, because it has a lot of glitter into it and it just adds the shine. And I will try anything and everything matte, but not anything glowy or dewy, because let's be real, it's gonna shine through anyway in a couple hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my skin, and this will be my first time trying out this product. It looks like this. So let's go ahead and try this out. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like, God, it smells like chamomile tea. And maybe I just recognize the smell because I make this tea a lot at work. I'm gonna attempt to press this into my pores because I'm trying to fill them in as best as possible. And I'm just gonna really give this a good rub down and see how well this truly works out. Because, well, it's a luminizer and I don't do luminizers. So the color that I'm using is, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Plus Fluid. My color is NW15, and which is actually ironic because it's actually the exact same color that she uses in her video. I just don't wear it as well as she does. So I have I'm either applying with a damp, it's not a beauty blender, it's actually a Real Technique mock-up of beauty blender. And why we damp it, I don't know. I'm just following suit with what it tells me to do. They say damp it, I damp it. No, and I feel like when you damp the beauty sponge, I feel like all it does is just absorb more of my foundation. I'm constantly putting it back on the hand, and I don't know if it's just, I damped it too much and made it soaked. I don't know. But all I know is that, gosh, this has soaked up a lot of my foundation. And this doesn't do anything to cover my pores at all, because my pores are singing to you guys right now. They're shining through. You know, I don't even care. I used to really care about having large pores, and I used to be very self-conscious of it. And then I realized that I'm not perfect. I have very, very flawed skin. I have red skin. I have lots of oil, and I really just felt really self-conscious about it. But it honestly wasn't even until I started watching Manny MUA where I was like, you know what? He talks about having large pores and oily skin, and he seems like he is perfectly okay about his, you know, pores shining through. So I was like, if he's okay with it, then I'm gonna be okay with it. My oil just wants to shine through. She's saying hello. So I think I have this as blended as possible. I could already see some buildup on my nose, right around here. I don't know if you can see. I have some buildup. So I'm talking about, like, I don't like it. Well, nothing I can do is I bring this down on my neck just to try to blend it out. Hey, what's good? I'm here. Next, she uses a matte pot concealer, to which I actually don't have. I don't use concealers that much because the concealer that I did use was the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light. However, that color is a little bit too light for my skin, so I haven't really found the best concealer that I want to use. I do want to try the ColourPop No Filter concealer. I do need to get that, but right now I'm going to currently use the Naked Skin by Urban Decay, and it's called the Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. The color that I'm using is light neutral. I got this as a little sample size from Sephora because I did not want to commit to spending like 20 something bucks on a concealer when I can spend 12 and make this last for a very long time. So I'm just going to conceal under my eyes just like she did in her video, and yeah, fuck it. Can you ever use too much concealer? And I know that, like, I kind of want to highlight this area right here. I kind of want to highlight this area right here because, well, everybody else highlights that area, so I don't really know why I'm highlighting that area, and I don't really know why I'm highlighting my forehead, but they all highlight their foreheads, so I figured, why don't I highlight my forehead? Because I just feel like since they do it, I should do it too, because they know what they're doing and I don't. So my next step, I'm just gonna kind of set my under eyes, and I know that she uses the Mercier translucent setting powder. I use the exact same thing, but again, I don't have the full size because I'm cheap and don't want to spend the $40, so I got the travel size, and she lasts me a good while. So I'm just gonna kind of take my same beauty blender and I'm gonna put it right under my eyes. Just kind of leave this right here. What I'll end up doing is I probably will end up setting my entire face because I'm gonna try to make it like seriously not as oily, because fucking God knows I fucking am. And when I go out to the bar tonight with some friends, I do not need my face to like start looking shitty. But I'm realistic, and it's going to. So I don't have high hopes. Now she does is she actually bronzes her face, but I don't have the same exact bronzer that she has. I actually have Give Me Sun by MAC. So she has Give Me I have the Give Me Sun, and she uses a different bronzer because I thought I grabbed the right one when I went to the store, and I realized that I actually grabbed the wrong one. So I grabbed a darker one. She grabbed a foundation. I grabbed an actual bronzer. So I'm just gonna say fuck it and use it on my skin anyway. I don't have as many products as her, so recreating this, well, it's just a fail to begin with because I don't have the same products that she has. But I will say though, the look that she did is absolutely amazing. And I'm gonna use my real lashes today because I don't know how to apply fake falsy lashes. And I have really long, thick lashes to begin with, so I don't see the point in applying fake lashes. And I also don't know how to. So we'll just use my lashes and pretend that they're fake. It for doing shitty work. Alright, so the next step that I'm gonna do is, she didn't do any particular eye look. Actually, all she did was she just took the same foundation, or in my case the bronzer, and she just kind of did the crease on her eye, and I'm just gonna kind of do the same thing. So I really am excited to try this out. My friends are very encouraging for me to do a YouTube channel, and I've always something that I wanted to do, and clearly I'm amazing at it because I'm stuttering over my words, and that's who you realize I am. I'm a great writer, but articulating that through words verbally, I'm not the best at. So bear with me, because I said that I was gonna be myself, and if I fuck up, I'm gonna let you see it because it's real life. It's really me. And I want this to be as raw and unfiltered as possible. I want you to see what it's like for someone who's not big out in the industry to truly try out this stuff, and someone who does not know really what the fuck they're doing, who pretends to know what the fuck they're doing because, well, I mean, I think we all do that in life, right? We all pretend that we know what we're doing. Fake it till you make it, right? Use a highlighter. She used a MAC highlighter, and again, something I don't have. But I do have the Becca highlighter, and this is a Shimmering Skin Press Perfector. It's Prosecco Pop, and looks just like this. I'm going to be using this today as the highlight instead of a MAC one because, well, I don't have a MAC one. So this is going to be the substitution. I think this looks okay. Let me do my Cupid's bow. So much powder. Tap. Look at this. She's caking in the corner. I might have used too much, you know, granted, it might be my fault because I may have overdone it, and, well, fuck it. So, the next step I'm going to use my lip liner, and she used the color Cherry lip liner, and it's a MAC lip liner. I'm just going to line my lips. I don't overdo my lips because, I find that it just looks really weird, and I'm not really into that, so I'm just going to line my lips. The step I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Fashion Legacy. This is the exact same color that she uses, and I'm just going to emulate her look. God, that is such a gorgeous red. I suck at this. I cannot do a perfect line to save my life. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to top this off with a Russian Red lip glass from MAC. I'm just going to kind of do the center just exactly like how she did. I'm just going to put this right in the center to add that little bit of extra pop. Alright guys, and there you have it, the final look. I absolutely love this look. I think it is absolutely gorgeous. I do wish that the foundation held up a lot better on my skin. I wish it looked better on my skin because, like I said, I have a little bit of pimples, I have red patchy skin, I have enlarged pores, and unfortunately not every single foundation looks good on my skin, but overall I'm very satisfied with the look. I definitely will go out. Overall I love it. The final step for me to do is just to set my face with the Max Prep and Prime Fix Plus. So let's just go ahead and do that. Smells so good. So, and yeah, now that my face is set, there we have it. This is me recreating RawBeautyKristi's look. And once again, if you guys love this look, please go check her out. She's RawBeautyKristi on everything, social media, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. You'll find her anywhere. She's absolutely beautiful, absolutely amazing, and I will link her video down below. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I do not have a set date on when I'm going to keep uploading videos because I do have a job that I work about 30 to 35 hours a week, and then I'm going to come here and start filming for you guys. So if you guys like me, please give me a cheeky thumbs up. I'd really, really appreciate it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! I'm gonna keep talking so I can figure out what to do. Oh yeah, I'm supposed to do pictures. Alright. I need a shower. I need to wash my hair. What time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 8:12 p.m.
Thank you. I don't know what I would do without Alexa. I literally ask her questions all day. She constantly plays my music. She orders me Starbucks. It's kind of sad that I rely on her. It's because I'm lazy. Let's just be real. I'm a lazy piece of shit, and I'm fucking lazy. And if I could have someone answer questions for me, play music for me, tell me the weather, tell me the time, then I'm gonna do it, because I could be sitting on the couch watching my YouTube channels and ask questions instead of doing the research myself. But that sounds so millennial of me, even though, I mean, I guess I'm millennial. I was born in '89, so I mean, I guess you would count that as millennial, right?